kids. Today we will learn the chapter latest development in the field of IT. What is developed in last few years, what new technology came in. So we will understand them. First, there are many other apps in a smartphone which can be used in our daily lives. The development in this field will keep on adding a new technology each day. Every day something is coming, kids. So we need to up to date. So first is AirPods. AirPods are wireless Bluetooth earbuds designed by Apple. Who designed it? Apple company. And AirPods is wireless. They don't have the wireless. You just put in your ears and use them. The battery percentage are displayed on the screen. It is based on ANC, active noise cancellation, which blocks out background noise. What they are using? Active noise cancellation. So in the background, if any noise is coming, this technology cancel out the noise. Next is VR headset. VR means virtual, V for virtual, R for reality. Headset is a head mounted device that uses 3D near eye displays. It is a computer generated environment with scenes and objects that appeal to be real. So this is we have to wear on our hat, and then 3D display will comes up in near our eyes. It's behave like that you are in that environment. Next is tablet. A tablet is a small flat computer that is controlled by touching the screen or by using a special pen. You can touch that and open the app and do any work and games. It is wireless portable personal computer with a touch screen interface. It is touch screen. You can port it from one place to another easily, and it is behave like a personal computer. It is a type of computer that can be carried easily, and it works on battery, so you can charge it. Next is Alexa. Alexa is virtual assistant artificial intelligence based technology that operates through voice commands. It can play your favorite songs, read the latest headlines, dim the lights in your living room, and more. It controls any device if you give the access, and you can ask any question. You can ask for play a song, you can ask for a game. So it is a virtual assistant artificial intelligence. Next is drone. Drone is a type of aircraft that doesn't have a pilot and is controlled by someone on the ground using the remote. It is used in a wide range of applications and industries, including agriculture, military photography, videography, etc. So in military, it is using so much. Peoples are using drone for the photography purpose, in the marriages and for shooting. So drones also important. So we learned about AirPods, VR headset, tablet, Alexa, and drone. Let's do some exercise. The device shown in the given image can, this is Alexa. Play music through human voice commands, answer questions asked by human, dance as per human instruction, both A and B. So using this, it play music and answer the question. So answer is D. Which among the following can be considered as example of shopping app? This is Flipkart, WhatsApp, Map, and this is for chat. So Flipkart is for using for online shopping. The device shown in the given image is off, and it allows you to uh, given images of smartphone, and it is used for take a selfie and play games also. So B is the answer. Next is identify the given device. What is this? This is 3D pen. It's not a smart pencil. It's 3D pen is for it's be in input wire, and it will hot and then it comes up some liquid and you can make anything, and it will, when it dry, it makes some valuable things or designs. Using which of the following device you can do a video call? Using mobile, using tablet, using laptop, you can do video call from all of them. They all have cameras. Which of the following apps supporting video calling feature? WhatsApp, this is MS Paint, this is Skype. So both A and B using for video calling. Mm, Which of the following can be used to control the movement of character while playing a video game? So this is joystick, this is controller, this is camera. So both A and B are using for controlling. Next is represent an brand name for a series of home video game consoles, app that is used to do video calling, smartphones, brand developed for kids, none of these. So this is PS5. So brand name of a series of video games, home video game. The given image represent and that can be played on a, this is a gaming app, but we can play on the smartphone. So answer is B. Aman saw that his father is paying a grocery bill at a shop by scanning at this code using this phone. His phone. What is the code called? This is QR code. Barcode, we have bars. Pay code is not something, nothing named tab code. So this is QR code. Select the functions or tasks that can be done by using this given app. This is WhatsApp sign. You can do voice call, yes. Video call, yes. Send audio message, yes. Send video message, yes. So answer is D. You can do all of these things from WhatsApp. This is smartwatch is an example of wearable computer. Using it you can set reminders, yes. Track your fitness, yes. Receive phone notification, yes. All of these, yes. So smartphone watches doing all of these things. Next is, which of the following generally used while playing a racing video games? No, this is for control the vehicles. This is projector, this is camera. None of these, so answer is A. Next is, how many apps are hidden in the given word? So answer is 3. How many app games? So Facebook, Skype, and so you can find it, and it is YouTube. So 3 app names are hide in the grid. Which among the following marked as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cannot be considered as an example of an app? So this is YouTube, this is some board, this is chat app, this is Windows sign, and this is controller. So 4 and 5 not the example of an app. Take the screenshot of the next questions and do practice on the at home. We will meet again for the worksheets. Okay kids, bye bye, see you. Follow and share for next video.